All right, hey, how's everyone doing? So today I want to test the Pod 3 pet tracker for its waterproofness, and you'll see here that next clip, um, you'll see I've got all my stuff. Okay, I got the Pod 3 tracker attached to the end of our bamboo stick. That was no easy task. That thing, when it's secured into one of those holes, ooh, yeah, that's a plus. Okay, so you can see I've got the GoPro attached, just up stick from Pod Tracker. So now it's time to put it in the water and test it out. Okay, here we are, trying attempt number 2. First one was time lapse, and this one I'm gonna get on video. Got the setup again. About to drop it in the water, see what happens. All right, so I've got Pod Tracker. I just sent a ping to it, and it had the green light flashing. Got that on the GoPro, and then also had, looks like, bass come up and was checking it out at the same time. So maybe we get a little bonus footage and get a bass. All right, so I've been filming the Pod Tracker while it's been underwater. I pinged the device. It flashed green underwater. Got that as well. And I think I may have got a little bonus footage of a bass swimming up and checking it out. We'll see what happens when we download the video from the GoPro. But it's been flashing underwater. Been catching it on the GoPro. Give it a couple more minutes of the test, and we'll go get this thing analyzed. All right, there we have it, fresh out of the creek, and just missed it, but the Pod Tracker was blinking green, and so anxious to see what the footage shows. All right, just completed the underwater submerge test for the Pod 3 pet tracker, and just got done dunking it down in the creek. So now we're going to take the GoPro upstairs, download that video, watch it blink underwater. I think we got some surprises on there too. So anxious to see how this turns out.